Good morning students. I am Engineer Ajay. Welcome all of you in digital classes provided by Rajasthan Academy Churu for preparation of entrance exam of Sainik School, Military School, Navodaya Vidyalaya, Rai Sports School and RIMC. Students, it's class of reasoning and our topic is ranking test. We have studied about the basic of ranking test and formulas used in ranking test. Now we start practice exercise. In practice exercise, question number first is let's start question number first. Question number first is in a list Shikha is 15th from upper end and 17th from lower end. Then find the total number of persons in the list. In a list, what is saying in the question? In a list, Shikha is 15th from upper end. Shikha 15th from upper end and comma and 17th from lower end and 17th from lower end. Now what is asked in the question? Find the total number of persons in the list. Okay. Total number of persons. Total number of persons. Total number of persons is equal to what? Shikha's rank from upper end plus Shikha's rank from lower end minus 1. फॉर्मूला हो गया ये. इट्स द फॉर्मूला. टोटल नंबर ऑफ पर्सन्स इन द लिस्ट इज इक्वल टू Shikha's rank from upper end plus Shikha's rank from lower end minus 1. Now what is the rank of Shikha from upper end? Shikha's rank from upper end is 15th plus Shikha's rank from lower end 17 minus 1. 15 plus 17 कितना हो गया? 15 plus 17 32. 32 minus 1 is equal to 31. Then the total number of persons in the row is 31. I hope you got it. Now it's based on the formula of total number of persons in the row or list. Okay. Then in this type of questions, a person's rank from upper end and lower end is given and you are asked to determine the total number of persons in the list. So here is Shikha's rank from upper end plus Shikha's rank from lower end minus 1. Shikha's rank from upper end is 15 plus Shikha's rank from lower end is 17 minus 1, 32 minus 1 is equal to 31. Here is total number of persons in the row is 31. Now we start the next question. Question number 2. Question number 2. In question number 2, it is given in a row. In a row, Gauri is 11th from each end. Gauri is 11th from each end. Then how many girls are there in the row? In a row, Gauri is 11th from each end. Then how many girls are there in the row? In a row. Gauri 11th. Gauri is 11th from each end. 11th from each end means Gauri is 11th from left end and 11th from right end, 11th from top end, 11th from bottom end. Means the rank of Gauri from both ends are 11. Okay, is 11. Now we have to determine that total number of girls in the row. Then total number of girls, total number of girls, then rank of Gauri from left hand is 11 plus rank of Gauri from right hand is also 11. Because the rank of Gauri from the both hand is 11, then rank of Gauri from left hand is 11 plus rank of Gauri from right hand is also 11 minus 1. Okay, it's 22. 22 minus 1 is equal to 21. Then the total number of girls in the row is 21. Okay, I hope you got it. Now we start the question number 3. The both questions are based on the total number of persons in the row formula. Okay, now we start the question number 3. Let's start. What is question number 3? Question number 3 is in a class Neha's rank is 21st from the top and 13th from the bottom. In a row, Neha's rank is 21st from the top and 13th from the bottom. Then what is asked? What is total number of students in the class? Okay, so let's start. In a class, Neha, now Neha's rank from top. What is Neha's rank from top? 21st from top. Okay, now Neha's rank from bottom and 13th from the bottom. 13th from bottom. Now what is asked in the question? Total number of students. Total number of the students. Total number of the students. Now total number of students is equal to Neha's rank from top is 21 plus Neha's rank from bottom is 13th minus 1. Okay. Now 21 plus 30 is equal to 51 minus 1. It's 50. Then the total number of students in the row 50. Okay. I hope you got it. Then the all of three questions are based on total number of persons in the row. Okay. Now the question number 4. Question number 4. Let's start. In a class of 42 students, Manoj's rank is 16th from the top. What is his rank from bottom? Okay. In a class of 42 students, total students in the class is 42. Okay. Now Manoj's rank from top. Manoj's rank from top. What is Manoj's rank from top? Is 16. Okay. And we have to determine what is his rank from bottom. What is his rank from bottom? So let's start. Yeah. Manoj's rank from bottom. Then total number of students minus Manoj's rank from top plus 1. Okay, it is formula. Now we put the value in the formula. Then Manoj's rank from bottom, total number of students. What is total number of students? 42. Manoj's rank from top. What is Manoj's rank from top? Is 16 plus 1. Okay. Now 42 plus 1, 43 minus 16. It's 27. 27th. Then Manoj's rank from the bottom is 27th. Okay. Total number of students is given. Manoj's rank from top is given, and we have to determine Manoj's rank from bottom. Then total number of students minus Manoj's rank from top plus 1. Total number of students is 42 minus 16 plus 1. 43 minus 16 is equal to 27. Then Manoj's rank from bottom is 27th. So these are 4 questions of practice exercise. Please note down it in your notebook and practice it. Okay, thank you.